Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start now by confirming prerequisites. Update your Vivo and back up critical settings. Once done, plug in briefly and ensure battery is above 20% so changes apply safely. Next, open Settings, go to Battery, and enable Battery Saver. This activates baseline restrictions immediately. You should see estimated time remaining change. This shows the why. Saver restricts background tasks to extend runtime. Make sure to set the Saver activation threshold to a percentage that matches your daily needs. Once Battery Saver is on, you refine behavior to maximize gains. You should restrict background activity for heavy apps. Go to Apps, pick Apps, and disable background activity. This prevents unnoticed drains. Then reduce display cost, drop brightness towards 60%, shorten screen timeout, and enable dark mode to cut OLED usage. Also turn off location scanning and lower sync frequency for email and social apps. Finally, enable adaptive battery to let the system learn which apps to limit over time. Finish by scheduling Battery Saver to engage automatically at a chosen percentage or during night hours so you never forget. You should monitor usage for the next 24 to 48 hours under battery usage to confirm improvements and spot any app spikes. If you need further savings, enable Ultra Power Mode for emergency use. If something goes wrong, apps crashing or notifications delayed, restart the phone, clear the offending app cache, or temporarily disable its background restriction to troubleshoot and restore normal function.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.